Hello, this is Devin, and here is our Swage lag screw for 3/16 inch cable. Here is for 1/8 inch and 3/16. So you can see it's just a little bit larger there. And for comparison, here is the matching turnbuckle for that. You can see 3/16 inch hardware, just like the cable, is a little bit more girthy and definitely offers a little more bling to it. I also like to show you the matching 3" so you can really see the difference here between the hardware. So 3/16 and 1/8 inch in a 3" barrel. If you have any other questions about these parts or their installation, real quick, these guys have a flattened section right here where you can use a wrench or a needle nose vice grip, works really well as well, to wind these in, but most people will just install this into the chuck of the drill directly and run them right into the posts. There's a little ring we have machined out right here that indicates how far the cable goes in, so that makes cutting your cable more accurately a lot easier. Thank you again. Any questions, give us a call.